Hi everyone, so welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily contact Fiverr's customer support team. So first in the search bar, just type help.fiverr.com and you will be redirected to their help page. And just by scrolling down, you can see a list of categories. So say for example, we're going to choose payments and withdrawals. So from this help center, you can easily find a subtle solution to your issue or problem. You can also just directly contact their customer support team just by scrolling down until you see this contact us button. Just make sure that you sign into your account. And from here, for them to further assist you, you have to make sure that your account is already verified. And from here, you can easily send your inquiries, your questions, so they can easily help you resolve your issues. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this helped you on how you can easily reach Fiverr's customer support contact. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you again on the next one. Bye!